YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I'm here today with my Bible sketch notes, the last entry for the book of Deuteronomy. And so I already did the overview, and then we did basically some events of Moses and the Shema, and today I think I'm going to look at Deuteronomy 30:19 to 20 when God tells them to make a choice about life and death, blessings or cursing. So I want to do something with that. So I'm going to put it on fast forward, fast speed, and come back and sum it up. Okay, so I am back, and I am done with my session for this week. So I wrote out the scripture, which is Deuteronomy 30:19 and 20. It says, I call heaven and earth to record this day against you, that I have set before you life and death, blessings and cursing. Therefore choose life, that both thou and thy seed may live, that thou mayest love the Lord thy God, and that thou mayest obey his voice, and that thou mayest cleave unto him, for he is thy life, and the length of thy days, that thou mayest dwell in the land which the Lord sware unto thy fathers, to Abraham, to Isaac, and to Jacob to give them. Deuteronomy 30:19 and 20. So I just, had the best penmanship, but I did the little wave, put some hearts around it for love and choosing life. And I said, choose wisely. This is life and blessings. This is death and cursings. So love God, which is the one true God, one place, his place of worship, in his Moses tabernacle, not somewhere else, no idols. And then the opposite is to hate God, being polytheistic, those groves and altars where they sacrificed to other gods and they had idolatry. So obey God, reverence, justice, and mercy. Disobeying God would be irreverence, injustice, and stinginess, those types of things like that. So doing the opposite of what he's asking ends up in death. So try to make a fruitful tree. This is supposed to be like a decaying tree, so at the bottom it looks like it's alive, but it's actually dead at the branches. And this is like a snake wrapped around it, because he's always deceiving people. Representative sin, temptation, lust, pride, those kind of greed things that takes us astray. So yeah, so that's my version of that. And that is going to conclude the book of Deuteronomy. And that it concludes the Pentateuch, the first 5 books of the Bible, which we attribute to Moses. So I've had fun doing this year, just playing along, doing all these different weeks, and seeing what comes up, just helping me put these things in perspective. For each one is a little different, because again, I'm not an artist. Somebody could take this and make this totally different and better, but that's just my take on it. So anyway, my big takeaway for you guys is just that you're reading your word, because there will become a famine in the land one day. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to read your word. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.